welcome back for episode 2 of the How to Cook series. Today we're going to be talking about Jell-O shots. Let's take a look at ingredients. The first thing we want to pay attention to is the Jell-O. They're sold in 3 and 6 ounce size packages, so make sure you pay attention to what size you pick up because that is surely important for this recipe. You're going to need a bottle of vodka, so pick out one to your liking along with your favorite gummy bears and choose some kind of container. I recommend these 2 ounce portion cups that I picked up at my local liquor store along with this cool Texas Silver Star vodka. This is what we're going to be using for the gummy bears today. And then there are also some lids, which I recommend in case they accidentally fall out your refrigerator or wherever you're storing them. So these are available, like I said, at most grocery stores in the cutlery aisles or where you would find, plastic cups, paper plates, those sort of things. So there you go, here's your ingredients. Alright, and go dig out a measuring cup too, because you're going to need one of these to add some water. This part is entirely optional, but if you want, you can pour your gummy bears in a bowl and soak them for about an hour with your vodka before you put them into your Jell-O shots. Oh yeah, and we can use that vodka, whatever isn't soaked up, for the actual Jell-O shots, so don't worry, it won't be wasted. Now to prepare our Jell-O. For a 3 ounce package, you're going to need 1 cup of boiling water, and you're going to add it to 1 cup of vodka. For the 6 ounce package, which would be 2 of the 3 ounce packages, you're going to need 2 cups of boiling water with 2 cups of vodka. Because I have 2 different flavors, I'm going to be making this recipe twice. So now that our water is boiling, let's add our 6 ounce package of Jell-O, and we're going to mix it all up. So once you're sure that your Jell-O has been melted in your 2 cups of boiling water, you can add your 2 cups of vodka. Let's go ahead and do that. So we don't spill a drop. 1, 2. It looks like we'll probably have just about enough to do the last batch. If not, it might be just a wee. We won't tell anyone. They got the special gummy bears in that next batch. Alright, we're just going to mix this up and we're going to start distributing it into cups. Now that everything's blended together, I'm just going to start pouring the solution, or Jell-O, into these cups. Let me do that and I'll get back to you guys. When you're working with the Jell-O, just be careful because it'll stain most surfaces. Now that I've portioned the Jell-O into these cups, I'm going to go ahead and pop it in the fridge. It's best to let it sit overnight. So I strained off that excess vodka and put the gummy bears into the rest of the portion containers to prepare for that blue Jell-O we're about to do. We're on to the second batch now. I've got some of these gummy bears, and they're so strong though, you can tell. Okay, now for these 3 ounce packages of blue. We have to use 2, remember? 2 packages. So 2 packages into 2 cups of boiling water, then we're going to add the 2 cups of vodka. 1 is the strained off vodka from the gummy bears. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it all together and portion out, and I'll show you guys what they look like when they're done. Okay, and after a couple hours, this is what they look like. You can see the gummy bears and the blue ones, and I did the red without. They're pretty firm now.